right now we're here at Lucille Boulevard, Biruin Mall. Last time I was here, this was just being built. Wala pa to before.
Angat na yan.
Look at the moon. It's pretty.
Oh my God.
Ay, natakpan.
Kita mo yung mother and child.
There's
The
the
witch is
moon.
coming.
Mother and child yun, di ba? Nasa
No,
gitna.
look at the moon,
Mama
man.
Mia.
Alas. You see it?
The moon, you get
Kala ko yung ano,
Yeah, it's a video.
hot air balloon. Ayun, baka naman hot air
Why
balloon.
too many? I'm so scared.
You're too scared?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm too big.
So right now we're here at Lucille Boulevard, Biruin Mall. Last time I was here, this was just being built. Wala pa to before. I'm part of these projects, diba? Some of these, not all. Yeah. Because I used to work at Qatari DR Real Estate. Diba? Nice. Nice. Hey, so pretty, diba? There are a lot of changes already. Hey. It's nice. Hey.
Saan tayo punta?
Let's take picture here in the middle.
Tuloy ka lang, ma. Tuloy. 1, 2, 3. Wala na. Tumakbo. Ay!
Okay. Pagod. Let's eat at here in Qatar. Ang ganda ng McDonald's dito sa Lucille, no? So, this is with spicy chicken. Ang rice nila is yellow. Gravy pala ito. This is the gravy. Parang ito lang pwede natin makainan dito, no?
Ito lang makakain.
Na pambata.
Kakagam.
Tsaka Papa John's.
Ang
gusto nito to.
ka. Ulit.
Kaya ko na. Ang angang sobrang spicy. Yung McDonald's dito gusto ko talaga.
Sabi nito ba? Hindi ganito.
Spicy siya, but not really that spicy. Iba yung spiciness dito. So good.
This is Sonic, my favorite character.
Ang dami namang rice ah. Ano na siya, malaki nga yung box eh. Ganito ang chicken and rice dito sa Dome, Qatar. Ayan siya. Nalagay siya sa ganito, sa top. Ano tawag ito? Sa tub. Sarap. Parang yung rizo na sa KFC. Sarap. Nag-alas sa say hi. Alas. Hi. Say hi. Kita ba siya? Where's the train? Did you see the train? Ano yung dalawa? Eh, nag-order. Nabitin kasi kanina.
Yabang eh. Sabi light meal. Binigyan light meal.
We're at Lucille Boulevard. Ito lang pwede kainan, tsaka yan yun. Papa Johnson doon sa may kabila.